Looking for a straightforward way to boost your wood window security? These sash locks are designed specifically for vertical sliding single and double-hung wood windows, offering a simple yet effective upgrade to your home's safety. Whether you use one lock or pair them up, these locks provide extra peace of mind by keeping your windows firmly shut. Their hole center patterns, 1 to 15/16 of an inch for the lock and 1 to 7/8 of an inch for the keeper, ensure a precise fit for most standard wooden frames. Crafted from durable stamped steel with a clean white finish, these locks blend strength with subtle style. The zinc die-cast construction and spring-action cam locking mechanism add reliability, making them a trusted choice for many double-hung window models. Installation is quick and hassle-free. With just a few basic tools, you can have these locks mounted in under 30 minutes. No need for professional help or complicated setups, perfect for homeowners who want fast, effective results. Customers across the United States praise these locks as excellent replacements for older hardware. One homeowner with a late 1980s house noted how easily they fit original wooden frames and helped keep windows securely closed, improving overall home safety. If you're upgrading windows from older brass hardware or just want an affordable security solution, these sash locks offer great value. They're budget-friendly enough to avoid extra trips to the hardware store, yet reliable enough to enhance your window security. Worth a look if you want a no-fuss, sturdy lock that fits well and installs quickly. These sash locks deliver what you need: increased security, ease of use, and a clean finish that won't clash with your window's appearance. If that's you, consider trying these sash locks when you're ready to improve your home's protection. They're a practical, cost-effective way to secure your windows without sacrificing style or convenience.